And now we wait. The ever-moving passage of time beyond our fickle control of man. Oh, never mind, there's a roller coaster now.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
Well met, travelers. Now, it's been a long time coming, I know. A while back, I told you I was going to do something, and you might recognize this beautiful monster above me here, because that is Ghost Rider, the great custom. CCI, Custom Coasters International is what I meant. Don't know what I was thinking. I'm sorry. Rip my throat out in the comments if you need to. I had just gotten off a flight. Can you give me a break? Coasters International masterpiece that I'm so looking forward to riding today because we are at Knott's Berry Farm in California. That's right. I got on an airplane and I kept my word. Now let's get in there and let's farm some credits. Let's berry farm some credits, shall we? Obligatory started Ghost Rider. Yeah, what else is there to say? All right, guys, time for Nicolas Cage, the ride. That's one of the best Woodies I've ever been on in my life. That's unreal. That's unbelievable. That is so good. There are little parts in there that remind me of Voyage, and I can tell that it hasn't even warmed up yet, so I'm like ultra hyped. Nicolas Cage, the ride, chef's kiss, beautiful work, Knotts. We're coming back, definitely. I know I say that a lot, but this time I'm coming back. I need to feel that thing at full power. Also, Cole from Park Pros is here.
What up? How we doing?
I look goofy. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. She's not open right now, but she better later. What a pose she strikes, though, am I right? Good Lord Almighty. Good golly, Miss Molly. All right, so while we wait for that to open, I think I'm just gonna knock out the Ghost Rider credit, because I don't wanna wait for it later. So let's just do that.
Here. If you're excited to try Ghost Rider, make some noise.
Mom, we rented the wrong family coaster at Blockbuster. That is the most utterly forceless thing ever. I felt nothing. It was like when my ex left me. I just felt nothing. I feel like I should have, but I didn't. Oh well, moving on. This is where I'd put my Montezuma's Revenge, if I had one. Credit to credit, as we always say. Thrilling, absolutely thrilling. Look, a fun shortcut. This is nice. Spooky, scary skeletons send shivers down your spine. Okay, well this is a thing that exists. Wow, that's like 2 inches off the water. Okay, suddenly there's people here. I don't like this. All right. Calico Mine Ride, I've heard a lot of good things about this. I'm excited. Oh, I smell popcorn. That's my weakness. They wouldn't let Cole drive the train.
Take a look at these old bubbling mud pots here. The belly of old Mother Earth's always churning and boiling. Many a mine are small as thick as the ground, searching gold, only to have her belch right in this. Now that ain't very ladylike. $1 million worth of glorious gold.
That was a really cute and fun dark ride, man. I like stuff like that. It should always be preserved for as long as possible. Except Black Diamond at Knoebels. I'm not talking about you.
Oh, right here. That's a lot.
And now we wait. The ever-moving passage of time. Beyond our fickle control of man. Oh, never mind. There's a roller coaster now. I just want to say that Park Pros walks as fast as I do in theme parks, and more of you should. It's incredibly important, and I appreciate it a lot. Thank you.
No messing around. We got places to be.
Places to be, ground to cover, a mission to complete. I need the launch. 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 I gotta ask you, is this the best launch?
It's probably top 5 in the U.S. It might be the best though.
I'll take it.
It's really good.
I'll take it.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. This man's got a flight to catch. We gotta move. This is one of the main reasons I'm out here. I am so excited for this launch.
Caught me off guard when I moved and I hit the pole.
Front row, front row.
Xcelerator for your safety, keep your head back, keep it flat. Hold on, buddy. Okay, right?
Might be recency bias, but yeah, I think that is my maybe favorite launch. I'll revisit it in my head, but holy God, that ripped my soul out of my body. That is so good. That launch is so good. Cole, thanks for hanging out with me. Park Pros, following.
Fun.
Buy the merch.
This was so good. So sick.
So good, so sick. I'm just sitting back out here under Ghost Rider for a minute, taking a little break. It's fun to hang out with Park Pros. Nice guy. I've only got a couple more credits till completion, and then we're just kind of chilling, ghost riding it out, I guess. I think part of me imagined that this park was larger. It's a great park, don't get me wrong. I love it in here. It's smaller than I anticipated. And it's not that crowded today, so I've been able to kind of knock things out. Let's keep moving. But like I said, only a few credits left in this park. It doesn't mean we're leaving, we're gonna hang out, but I think we can knock those out pretty quick, and then we'll have just a smooth ride. Let's get it done. All right, Sierra Sidewinder's right here, so let's go ahead and knock that out, shall we? Oh! That's better than I thought it would be. Way more forceful than I thought it would be. It's getting crowded and louded in here all of a sudden. Hachimachi. Tell me, What is it that you fear, child? Onward and upward to Jaguar, milling about the corpse of Montezuma's revenge, soon to re-arise. I'm so sorry I can't ride you, Montezuma. One day. Oh, well, doesn't this have mummy vibes? Am I supposed to go up here, I guess? This has to be right, right? So that is definitely a roller coaster that exists on the planet Earth. It's weird. It's a lot of straightaway. I think it's a zero, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of straightaway sections, like too many. And it really messed with my spine. Like it kept slamming me right in the center of the spinal column, and I feel it still. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm a one and done on Jaguar, but credit acquired. So far, I really, really like this park. Maybe my favorite Cedar Park I've been to. So, well, I guess it's all flags now, but you know what I mean. This place is great. And the vistas are constantly stunning. I mean, this is beautiful. It's pretty cool that they got little things like this as well. These models. There's another one over here. Glass could use a little cleaning, but that's all right. We'll let it slide. Huh. Okay, I need somebody to tell me I'm not going crazy. That's not how you spell clearance, right? Is that how they used to in the 1800s, or am I wrong? I don't know, man. I Googled it. That is 110% not how you spell clearance. I knew I was right, but I had to be positive so I didn't make myself look like a moron. Getting more crowded, but we're almost done with all the credits, so it's fine. Oh my God, it is so much more peaceful over on this side. I like this. This is chill. And beautiful. Instant Cracker Barrel vibes. Instant Cracker Barrel vibes. Okay, come on. It feels intentionally Cracker Barrel. Okay, well maybe a Cracker Barrel is just based on the same kind of store. I'm being a little ignorant. The number of times I've had to tell people not to climb inside my Calico. There's a lot of little tents with merchants and stuff set up. I'm assuming some of these at least must be local merchants that they come in and sell their goods. That's pretty neat. I mean, not stuff like this, but there are tents set up in certain areas with people selling what appears to be handmade goods. So that is pretty cool. See, this stuff is cool. Freaking, look at that. That's crazy. Godzilla. Hey man, you made women into guys without noses, so that's interesting. All right, ladies and gents, it is time for credit completion, at which point I can finally breathe. I am cursed. I must break the curse. So she's been down for a while, but this is the last credit I need, so we're hanging out. Me and those two other people are the only ones left. The holdouts. And now I'm alone. The last one here. Hey folks, just hanging out in the Pony Express station. Still the only one here. It's been probably coming up on a half hour, but it's the last credit. Your boy ain't giving up. It's all about tenacity. What is that? Is that a cryptid? There's a cryptid over there. My God.
Pony Express in motion for test cycling, stay back right there.
Longest wait ever, but it's worth it because I'm probably gonna get a Zen ride. So I waited forever for that, but it ended up being worth it because one of the maintenance people talked to me and got a sticker and said that I can walk over to Xcelerator right now and she will let me skip that line. This is Camille. Camille deserves Employee of the Year. What do you have to say for yourself?
Really. Just have fun. I just work just to see other people smile. Honestly.
You're a good one.
So you have fun.
You're a real one, Camille.
Thank you.
I need another taste of that sweet, sweet launch. Let's get one. It's about that time, Knott's Berry Farm. It's about that time. Hard cut back to the hotel room. So, in summary, Knott's Berry Farm. Loved it. Great park, great staff, super clean, wonderful rides. Operations were hit or miss, but that's neither here nor there. Overall, it was wonderful. Camille was amazing. Long story, but it was great. I want to thank Park Pros for hanging out with me today. Make sure to give him a follow. And overall, just wonderful. Xcelerator and Ghost Rider are bae. That launch on Xcelerator, again, ripped my soul out of my body. It was incredible. So punchy, so good. As my friend put it kicks like a mule. I'm very tired. We've got more to do on this trip out here to California. So, with all that being said, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, do all those things that make me cringe to say, and you know they do. Share with your ex, share with your grandma, be real annoying about it. Follow me on Instagram, and I'm trying to do TikTok too now, so please validate me there, because it's difficult to make myself do it. This lighting is not flattering. But with all that being said, travelers, until we meet again, I should have done that later. Until we meet again, Godspeed.